Hi guys, welcome back to Obi's vlog. So today guys, I am my lovely amicable husband. We are going out. We are going to church. We are going for choir rehearsals. Okay, yeah. So welcome back again to our channel. Yes, please don't make this your last. Okay, keep on watching the vlog. We are going to church right now for rehearsals. Yeah, choir rehearsals. I'm leaving it's after 4. The choir rehearsal is supposed to start by 4 o'clock. It is after 4, but we're almost close to the church. Hopefully I'll carry you guys along. Anyway, this is the very first time of stopping across my channel. You're welcome. Please like and share if you want to share. Okay? So anyway guys, let's go. Talk to you guys later. Walk in the beauty of your grace. Hi guys, good evening from Bayelsa, Nigeria. If this is the very first time of coming across my channel, you are very much welcome. Please, you can as well join the family by subscribing and liking the video. So this is my husband, my amicable husband, handsome, the only sugar and butter my tea. So we are going out. I want to be butter now. My husband now. So we are actually going out. So nowhere specifically, nowhere. So we're just strolling because this evening is actually cool. So I just said let me just capture a little clips of Bayelsa State, especially in the evening. So that is what we are doing. So you guys will at least come with us. Let's see how this evening will be like. Okay, please subscribe and like this video for me. I'll talk to you guys later. Maybe what will you tell them?
Okay.
Tell them. Talk to them now. Okay. It's mimicking me. Okay guys, we'll see you later. Okay, bye. Hello guys, over here we went out and we saw where they were doing the area. I don't even know this person, but I have to just make the capture because I kind of enjoyed everything that was happening here. It's actually an Igbo woman that left, that she died, and they were doing her burial here. An Igbo woman that got married to an Igbo man. Okay. So these organic people, they are playing music. I don't really know anybody that is there, but I kind of enjoy the vibe that they were giving. And I said, let me just capture it for you people. Please, if this is the first time of still coming across my channel, please do it to subscribe, like, and share my video. So let's go, guys. Keep on watching the vlog.
Oh!
bread. Babe, I dey see that so. Guys, we are going home. We are going home. We have gotten some capture I want to get, so I'm going home right now. Okay? It's actually like it's an Igbo Bayelsa woman that died. Okay, so that died. She got married to an Igbo man. So though she's 69 years. So today is her burial. That's what they are doing there. Okay? Yeah.
Wait, how many of you have seen marriages where woman they do blah 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 blah? The husband they do blah. How many of you have seen families like that? Yeah? Please, how the family do? Fire. Every
Wow.
they call the man say this man are here. Go to every family where woman. Go. Everyone is telling us this man don't know who he's a foolish man. He's a foolish man. Woman, they call this name the man. Women are not supposed to understand this. Women, please get this understanding. You are not supposed. You are supposed to be guided by your husband.